Hi guys, welcome to Chili Pot Kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I am sharing an easy recipe with you all, which is air-fried fryums. These air-fried fryums are guilt-free, crispy and yet taste delicious. This is perfect for kids snacks. Even adults will love it. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to air fry the fryums. All we need is fryums. This is easily available in any Indian grocery stores. I have also shared an Amazon link in the description box below. If you need one, please do check it. Preheat the air fryer for a couple of minutes for 370 Fahrenheit. My air fryer preheats itself, so I'm just setting the cooking time as 2 minutes. Add fryums to the air fryer tray or basket. Don't overcrowd the fryums. If you want, you can just spray oil over the fryums. Preheating is done. Keep the tray inside. Every air fryer is different, so the cooking time might vary. Adjust 1 or 2 minutes according to it. It's done. Wow, look at this. It's fried perfectly. It won't expand like you deep frying it. Nice and crispy fryums are ready to enjoy. Do try this air fried fryums and enjoy them. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.